Alright, what's up guys? In today's video we got a carrier condenser install. Pretty simple, pretty easy. This is a customer that we had a York 410A system there just as a temporary unit while we wait on their carrier condensing unit to come in. It's a 3-ton, so maybe that's why it took a while, but I'm not sure. I really am not sure why it took a month to come in, but today we went and swapped it out, installed it, proper procedures all the way around the board, pulled down a good vacuum, pressure test, you know, you name it, you'll see it in the video. Today I definitely had a case of the Mondays. I could not get that 7/8 service valve brazed on the back side to save my life. But eventually I did. Eventually we got it looking good, holding pressure for sure. Leak checked it for about 30 minutes and then pulled down a good vacuum. So it was a little rough process, but I got it there and looks great, works good. Dialed in at 10 degrees subcooling, which is exactly what I was asking for. So stay tuned. Also, only 20% of you guys are actually subscribed. If you're watching this video and you're part of that 80% that are not subscribed, hit that button. But Dylan, it's not a button, I have a touch. Hit the button! Yeah, you can let go. Little condenser swap out today. Easy money. Right now I'm getting this little cloth here, scratchy paper, so we can clean the copper before we cut it, and then it'll make it a lot easier brazing it back in. Okay. Okay. Boom. Jeez, almost right. Yeah. And we're loose. This will go pretty quick. I'm thinking this is gonna work. And I don't have to get out the bender. Okay. Just wait. Yeah. I like it. You might not like it. I like it. Okay, it's fine. It's more than fine. It actually looks good. Take my liquid line right around it. Wham! I mean, you just can't beat that. Alright, we're fitted up. Now, if Carrier just started swedging the liquid line from the factory again, we'd be in there. But, anyways, it's just absolutely beautiful. This process is kind of a pain. You gotta slide it up in there and strap it right there. Climb up in there and drag it out every single time. I like the aluminum tank, but I don't have it this time. Oh well, I'll stop complaining. We got the straighters out, caps off. Using some wet rag to protect the valves and the filter dryer. Nitrogen's on. We're rocking and rolling. Torch in a backpack, you can't beat this. You shouldn't use a lighter. It's not safe. We had a leak, boys. I really don't feel anywhere else. Oh, what is this?
Same spot.
It's, yeah. It definitely is. Oh.
It's like wide open.
It's only my first day out here. I don't even need any more braze. But I'm gonna put it. Where's that one? Oh, the bottom of the suction? We got another one. Unfortunate. I'm gonna move this hose out of the way. Come around this way here.
You can't get down there for me.
Man, I was on the struggle bus with this area. Came back to this one 4 times, and this one took me 3. Which this one, I thought it was pulling around the back, so I just went over it quickly, but apparently it wasn't pulling around the back. This one was just 7/8 service valve in the worst spot ever. And it's a Monday. That's what I'm blaming it on. It's a Monday, so bear with me. Okay, we're leak checking it. We got 300 PSI on it. If you can see it, just believe me. I know there's a glare. I'm gonna try and get this off. This is definitely some reusable. This is, I've reused it a couple of times. We're just gonna throw that chunk away. I love this stuff though. This makes it so much easier. It's been about 10 minutes. We're at the same spot, so I'm putting the nitrogen away. I'm confident. We're still gonna leak check it for about another 15, just to be safe. Okay, we got a vacuum pump from the 1800s still. We have our micron gauge the furthest away from the pump on the liquid line with a ball valve, so we can close it, open the charge, and then take it off. That way we don't lose any vacuum. Shredder core removal tool with the shredder out. Another ball valve over here, and then that hose goes straight to the pump. So the only thing I could do better here is get a bigger hose going to the pump. But other than that, this is a perfect vacuum setup. So this is a spare 410A unit that we use. Next time we install it, I'm just gonna unsweat these, but I already put the torch away. So today I'm just gonna tape them. Boom, boom. This thing is a lifesaver though. We've installed it and uninstalled it, what, 3 times? 3 times now. And it's still kicking. Does really well. Okay, we're under 500. 432. I'd like to get it lower, but we'll be here for another half hour at this rate. Isolating it from the pump. We're gonna see if this jumps up. I'm just gonna let it record in real time, not skip anything. $431. 432. $433.
What?
433.
Not bad.
34. Isolated from the pump. So we're good. And we didn't lose any vacuum, so now we're going to start it up and get our 10-degree subcooling, required 10. Alright, right now we basically have 0 subcooling. I think it's about 1. We need 10. Evan just set up the refrigerant. Purge the air out right here, so we're going to start adding. So I'm going to open my suction. Close that ball valve. Since this is in an awkward spot, I'll just open this and we'll charge it into the ball valve so we can see the scale. Let's put in about a half a pound. Alright, that didn't change it much. We're adding some more. $72.5 and 80, a little above 80, 81. We're almost there. I mean, technically that's good. It requires 10, give or take 3. At the very least, you can give or take 2. So we're there. We're gonna see if we can get it right on 10. Then we're gonna take a temp split and we're out of here. Turned out looking pretty good. I might tuck this. No, I'm gonna leave it just like that. I really am. 10-degree subcooling on the money. Temp split's good. We're out of here. Give my service caps a little snugness. Looks good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Obviously had a little trouble with that 7/8 service valve there, but we got it. We got it. Pulled down a good vacuum, started it up, good pressure. Subcooling was 10, right on the money. Had a good temp split. Customer's happy, we're happy, it looks good. See you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe.